Porcelain whiteboards, melamine boards, laminated boards, and painted steel are common options for writing surfaces. However, these surfaces have their drawbacks. They can be difficult to erase, leaving ghosting and stains behind, or they may leave dust and residue. That's why glass as a writing surface is the modern solution to these problems. The tempered glass we use to make our Define and Masa surfaces is durable, easy to write on and erase, versatile, and magnetic. Better yet, it's also a renewable resource that is sustainably made in Chicago and features a lifetime warranty. Customizable designs and colors are also available, making Skyline glass the ideal option for any aesthetic. Upgrade to a glass writing surface today and experience the best of both worlds. Sleek design and unbeatable functionality, all in one product. Make your mark with Skyline Design.